Let's make a holiday ornament fit for a Christmas tree at the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. Let's make an iron candy cane. We're gonna bring it over to the vise and give it a nice decorative twist. Let's brush it. Let's take it back to the fire. Now we have to make the curve of our candy cane, and we're gonna do that on the horn of the anvil, but we can't use a regular hammer because that will damage the twist, so we are gonna use a rawhide hammer. Now looks good, let's quench it. And there you have a candy cane made at the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort State Historic Park.